Okay, we have the PPFM, Park Pedestal Flex Mount. Now, the Flex Mount portion comes because you can separate the lower base and the top, and that'll allow you to pull, post, or wall mount just this portion up. But if it's a freestanding structure, I highly recommend the pedestal portion. Like all of our temporary power pedestals, this has a base plate design, so it separates fully from the enclosure. You install your base plate, then you can install the enclosure on top. It makes for quick installation, and also it makes it a lot easier for continued maintenance. The PPFM was born out of necessity. We had our PP39 and our PPXL, and there was a need for something in between. The PP39 wasn't going to do your marinas or your RV parks or your campgrounds, not enough power. But the PPXL was too much, 240 volts, 50 amp twist lock connections in it. Not everybody needs that, especially in your Great Lakes scenarios or your campsites or RV parks that don't have nothing but the huge guys. So what was born was the PPFM. I am in love with this unit. I love how it's been designed. It still houses 200-watt LED lights in the top of it, like the PPXL. Like the PPXL, we have slits in the top of that, allowing for indirect lighting to come through here for your connections, while also allowing a good amount of lighting around the outside of it. We stuck with bulbs, screw-in bulbs, so that if they failed, you just had to get a new bulb instead of replacing some strip lighting solution. The other thing that I'm so excited about this guy is an 8-circuit panel can actually sit in there. So you can get your GFCI branch circuits in there. That is one of the greatest challenges we have right now, is acquiring GFCI circuits that are DIN rail and lug connections. Very challenging. Part of the reason this guy exists. Then at the base of it, you can pick your connections. Any one of 4 different, slots for your temporary power connections, 30 amp 240 twist locks, your 20 amp GFCIs, whatever you think of. We have a variety of different punches. We'll punch your makeout in there. Along with all the different features that I love about this guy, lockable circuit board lighting, I really liked this temporary cable raceway that we have here. Typically speaking, you don't have a lot of space right here, so this indentation allows for your temporary connection cables to come in, make your connection, close the lid, lock it if you want, and you have this cable race there. Lockable right here with the padlock access cover to it. For me, the reason I'm so excited about this new entry we have for our temporary power enclosures, it's the perfect bridging of versatility versus cost effectiveness. I think this guy is going to be incredibly popular in your RV sites and your marinas, like your Great Lake marinas and your lake marinas. It's not necessarily going to be applicable on your East and West Coast solutions. That's more the PPXL, but everything in between that and down, the PPFM is an awesome, versatile solution. If you want to learn more about this guy, head to our website and we could talk about building out a design for you and getting a price.